All right, folks, today we're going vertical. Time to show you how a real cryptid travels.
Bridge? We don't need no stinking bridge. This log will do just. W-H-O-O.
Who needs a zip line when you have your own nature transportation system?
Nature's own water slide. This beats any theme park. Woo! Woohoo! This is either the best or worst idea I've ever had.
Okay, that's
definitely higher than I remembered. No backing out now. Fishing tip, don't try this next to a waterfall. The fish think it's hilarious.
The locals call this one Secret Falls. I can see why. It's impossible to find.
And this, friends, is my secret hideout. Pretty cool, right? Great Wi-Fi, too.
Pro tip, always check for slippery rocks. Well, too late for that advice. Well, this is awkward. Anyone know how to call a cryptid Uber?
Note to self: invest in waterproof fur.
That was refreshing.
That's a wrap on today's waterfall adventure. Remember, folks, always respect nature and maybe bring a towel.
Oh yeah, you guys want more videos? Subscribe to my channel.